For the demo. So as you can see here, we've got the various sound clips over here, which are all plotted in real time in the time domain. And what we decided was that was not enough information. So what we wanted to do was we actually created a map which shows a route from Los Angeles to New York, and there's an observer here, and we wanted to be able to display how the observer would feel at two different points, which you can see here. So you can actually press the points, and what happens is there's three things going on. There's the animation, the haptic feedback, which is the vibration of the phone, and there is the audio of the actual sound files. And all of these are actually mapped, their intensities are mapped to the intensity of the actual original sound file, so which explains why this is going faster and there's more vibration with this one. And so for example, if we move farther away, you'll see that the sound, the animation as you can see here, and even the vibration would actually be mapped and would be less because the sound intensity is less from the observer's perspective. And then we also display the max dB at each point, as you can see over here. And that can be seen for any of the audio files, as you can see here. So now we also have a desktop application which provides real-time in detailed information, which is powered by MATLAB and is what's providing the information for this iOS app, which we'll show next.
Okay, so here we see the desktop application. So we can load in multiple WAV files. Along the bottom you see the selection. So I'm going to hit the d1.wav file here, and it loads in the information from MATLAB. On the left-hand side, you can see the audio information that's loaded in. And then on the right-hand side, we see the sound intensity contour. Basically, this shows you the intensity at various distances away from the aircraft. And then along the top, we see metrics for the useful metrics that will help the engineer. So on the top left, you see max decibels, which shows you the maximum intensity within the sound file. And the top right, we see the max radio distance, which is the distance you have to be away from the aircraft in order to hear as a whisper quiet.
And finally, we had some extra time, and we really wanted to portray the visualization. So because we had audio, video, and haptic, we went one step further and actually went into the next dimension and actually did a hologram of the sound file, as you can see here.